How I add my label in Keep Notes. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add your label in Keep Notes to make easy notes. We go first to Keep Notes and we go to the left corner and we have label, create new label. I already create 3 label and I will create the 4th label. Like that is very easy, and we press this mark and now we have a label. Now what we do, we press and select this and we go to this mark, add label, and we choose any label we want to add it. This is all. Now we have this, we select this note and add to another label with very easy. It's very easy. This is all for this video. Subscribe for more information and like the video.